I want you to know the major steps, although you might not know the details, the numbers, but the major steps should be known. In addition, it's important to know the materials that are used roughly. I don't want you to know the make and the size and the but you have to know that. For instance, in order to do a bucket, we really need an indirect ophthalmoscope. Loops can be used, fine, as I said, sometimes used. And the operating microscope is sometimes used, now more often it is. Lid speculum or a lid detractor, muscle hooks, Westcott scissors, Stevens scissors, those are the curved ones to dissect between the muscles. The forceps, that's .12, needle holder, Nugent, and the Bishop. The sleeve expander forceps, the Scapin's retractor, sutures. I don't know what types of sutures, but you have to know that we need to suture the bucket of the sclera. You have to know that we suture the bunch, suture so many things, so it's important that we put the bridle sutures on the muscles, the needles and the blades, needed for fluid drainage, and hemostasis coterie, the marking pen, a localizer, the buckling element, of course, sometimes a sponge, if it's not a silicone bucket. Sometimes it's a hard rubber, the inserting band if needed, and the silicone sleeve to close the whole bucket. Now what we do is usually it's under general anesthesia. We create a peritomy, but I like to leave a little bit of the gum so that you can close later with greater ease. And you isolate the muscles, you localize the break, and you cryo the break. Then you put the bucket, you don't yet suture it, but you put it. Then you drain the fluid, you create a small fluidotomy, and you drain the fluid. Then you quickly tighten the bucket so that you have a nice bucket effect on your detached retina. You might add gas, you might not, you might do it. This is not very important for me. The major steps that I got to discuss with you is this, are these. You might do a paracentesis, it doesn't matter. But the major steps should be understood and tackled. Same thing with the parsplantar vitrectomy. I'd like you to know the materials that are used. So we have a vitrectomy machine, whether we're at it, I'll just put a few, but there are many more others available. You need, of course, an infusion line, litros, and retractor. Now, other instruments, if you mention them, it's good. If you don't, it's not the end of the world. You need intraocular forceps, intraocular scissors, and laser, the pick, extrusion cannula, and the drag. Now, this is typically an eye being vitrectomized. You see, this is the infusion cannula. This is a retractor, and light hyperpolarized yield. Which eye is this? The right eye or the left eye, patient? The right eye, that's right. The fusion is always temporary. So, initially you go in, suppose this is a retinal detachment, we're doing a detachment, a vitrectomy for a detachment. You have to go in, clear the vitreous, okay, and try to, well, what you can do is put in a heavy liquid, here liquids, perfluorocarbon. When you do that, you flatten the retina. Once you flatten the retina, you can do some laser and drain the fluid that's out. Once you do that, you do an air fluid exchange, and you should be okay. Other thing I'd like you to know is that we use sometimes dyes. You can use, well, before they used to use the fluorescein dye for vitreous to obliques anymore. We try to use Kenacort, it's better. So this is Kenacort being used on the hyaloid, to separate the hyaloid. That's good. And this is PFO injected. You see there's a clear flattening where it is injected as opposed to the detached retina all around. After that, you have to do an air fluid exchange. And usually we like to perform the laser or the cryo when the PFO is still there. Pneumatic retinopexy is one where there's an intravitreal gas injection with transconjunctival pneumatic or laser photoablation followed by appropriate hand positioning. No incisions are required in pneumatic retinopexy. Now, the reason why I'm insisting on pneumatic retinopexy is because in my examination, very few have been able to answer how we do pneumatic retinopexy. I know it's not very yet popular in our region, but still I think it's important to know about it. It's a very, very good procedure. In certain conditions, you have to choose the right patient. But really, if you can do it to save a person's surgery, it's not much less expensive, it's faster, and the healing is usually much better. So what you do is you just inject the gas. I'd like you to know this, please, and perform either a transconjunctival cryo or a laser, followed by an appropriate head positioning. Okay, depending on what your tear is. If the tear is temporal, you're doing the right eye, like this. Left eye, temporal tear, like that. I don't want you to know numbers, but it is important to know that SF6 lasts less than, say, C3F8. You know, this is 12 days, 38 days. The larger size, again, it's faster here, within a day and a half, but here it's double. Air we don't use. And this is it, basically. You have to do you have to avoid the fish egg. You know what's a fish egg? No. Fish mouthing is something else.